Hello everyone, let me show you how to take the online lecture through Google Classroom. The first thing that we'll do is we'll open the Classroom app. Now I open the Classroom app and I find on the front page of the Google Classroom the class which I have been added. Now you can see there are around 66 students and the classroom name is 12th A. Now what I'll do is I'll just tap on the 12th A 2021 science batch. When I tap it, I'll get this type of menu. After getting this type of menu, you can see on the menu different things are written. The name of the classroom, that is 12th A year 2020 science, share with your class, then the teachers that have posted on the stream section of the classroom. Now I'll go to the settings. Now setting symbol is on the top right hand corner. So I'll just touch it. When I touch it, I'll get this type of menu. Now it says about the class settings. I'll once again show you. I'll touch or I'll click the symbol of the settings. When I click it, I'll get this type of menu about the class settings. It says the title 12th A year 2020-21, description year 2020-21, section is science, room is 1, subject all. After that, I'll scroll downwards and I'll find another general class settings. In that, the first one is student invite settings. Now in the student invite settings, if I touch the three dots, I'll get two different options. Disable invite codes. That means whatever invitation codes you have sent, you can disable it. Also, you can reset the invite codes. For example, you have sent the invite code as, say for example, say mtynocu dot dot dot. You can reset this invite code. Now basically this invite code are for the student to join the classes or the teachers. Also you can join the student through the class code. Now this class code is of 6 digit, I can see on the screen. After that we have invite link. Now in the invite link section you can find it is written https dot front/classroom.google. This is the invite link. Then after that you can see the symbol of your icon or the share icon, I mean to say. When you click it, you will get different option where you can share this link either through the WhatsApp or through any other app. After that you can see there is one video meeting link. Now this meeting link is joining to the Google Meet icon. If I touch the three dot, I can reset the meeting link. If I don't like this meeting link, I can reset this. After that there is another option to visible to students. Now if I click on this visible to students, then you will see there is a change in color. The change in color indicates that